Hello, I'm here to walk you through how to delete calling accounts on Google Meet. First thing, you open up the app and then you click on the three lines on the top left corner. It will open up three options, which is privacy, meet, settings, help, and feedback. So what you do is you click on settings, which opens up three other options: call settings, meeting settings, and blocked users. We are going to click on calling settings, select calling settings. It opens up under four options: calling account, in-call settings, message settings, and notification. So you're going to select calling account, and now you have six options: change phone number, Google account, let people call you with your email address, TV sign in, manage calling history, and delete calling history. So delete calling account, and we want to delete calling account, so you select delete calling account. Now it will open up this pop-up which says you won't be able to make or receive calls on Meet if you delete your calling account. So if you're sure you want to do this, just simply click on delete, and that's it. Deleting, and it has deleted. As you can see, it has deleted the calling account, and that is how to delete calling account on Google Meet.